This course is built around a basic premise. You should be catering your organizing business to clients who are willing to pay premium pricing for quality services from someone that they trust. Correspondingly, the premise of each module is to provide you with the what, why, and how in order to get the outcomes that you desire in your business. A high-end client base and ability to spend your days doing what you truly love. Put together, you have a total system that prepares you to get not just more clients, more of the right clients. Every business course should be upfront about the fact that entrepreneurship is a lot of work, and my program is no different. It's not just the hours that you put in, it's also consistently doing and trying things that you haven't done before. That's why our community is so key to your success. It is so much easier to take on challenges when you know that you're not alone. But it's not like I expect you to work hard for no reason. I really believe that putting a massive amount of energy toward your goals with the right strategy builds momentum in your business that makes life easier and easier. For example, when you do business with great clients, your business will energize you. But if you can't attract the right clients and you end up taking people on out of desperation, it will burn you out. That's the kind of hard work that I don't want you to have to do. In this course, you'll be putting much more thought than ever before into who your clients really are, what they really want, and how you can brand your business to be attractive to them. And by the way, if you aren't used to working with wealthy clients that outsource all kinds of things in their life to outside service providers like you without even blinking, you'll probably need to shift your thinking just a bit when it comes to marketing and selling your services. That's exactly why I'm here to help. This all gets easier over time, so please resist the urge to keep rebranding or reworking your services. You have to give your business time to take root in order to grow. I know that this is a cheesy metaphor, but consistency is like the sunshine that your business needs in order to bloom. I want to give you the full picture of the structure of the course. There are 8 modules, and each module has what I call a front end and a back end. The front end is the shiny stuff. This is what other people can see about your business, your clients, your friends, your family, even other business owners. But the back is what you know about running your business. It's the solid systems and strategy to fuel the front end and the tools that you need to give you confidence and support. It's also the part that would be teachable to an assistant. So each module will start with the shiny, feel-good stuff to establish the big picture, and then follow up with the systems, tools, or behind the scenes that you need to know in order to do your best work. So Module 2, Market, is about understanding the organizing industry and your place in it. The back end of this module will be about creating a business plan based on facts about your area and your skills as an organizer and marketer. Plus, you'll be filling in different parts of your customized plan as you move through the rest of the course modules. Module 3, Attention, is dedicated to understanding your potential clients because it's important to build your brand and business around who they really are, not just who you wish that they were or assume that they were. The back end of this module will cover the various ways of capturing that attention, or what is known as your leads, into a follow-up system. Module 4, Nurture, is about doing something with the attention that your business receives. It's the art of structuring your services and your pricing in order to best serve them and pull them in. The back end of this module will cover your website setup and layout, in addition to other ways to continue nurturing your leads. Module 5, Contact, is about communication with the individuals who become your clients or refer others to become your clients. The back end of this module will be about the typical scripts and scenarios that you'll utilize to make a system for your contact process, and it also includes your contract. Module 6, Sale, is on the exact in-home consultation process I use that makes the sale every single time. The back end of this module is about systems for taking payments and what to do with the money your business makes. Module 7, Project, is about managing your clients' expectations and delivering on your promises as an organizer or an organizing company. The back end of this module is going to cover the many ways to automate your client process and create standard operating procedures that will enable your business to grow. Module 8, Exposure, is about connecting with your ideal clients in places where they already are so that they can feel like you have arrived like a revelation in their lives at exactly the right time. Isn't that the ideal experience for a new client? The back end of this module is all about the marketing methods for getting the most valuable attention on your business. After laying the groundwork of the previous modules, you'll be ready to turn up the heat with the marketing methods you'll learn in Exposure. There's a huge workbook for this course that was designed for your whole heart and mind to get involved with building the business of your dreams. By that, I mean there's plenty of room for notes, ideas, and decision-making to happen, in addition to checklists that you can customize and space for you to draw out your ideas and how they all connect together. You'll also find additional resources like forms, templates, important links, and tutorials along the way. I am honestly over the moon that you have made the wise and inspired decision to join this course and the community that goes along with it. I believe the women who are a part of Inspired Organizer are redefining the professional organizing industry, and I'm so proud to be a part of your journey too.